Okay, ladies, I'm going to show you how to use my favorite tool ever, which is the Kreg Jig for making pocket holes. You'll never want to purchase another piece of furniture again. You'll just make it. You're going to need a drill and then the specific screws that go with your wood, and everything else comes in this kit. Mine is well used, so she's a little dirty. These two attachments make all the magic happen. You can't just use any screws for these. You have to go with the square head pocket hole screws, and the size of the screw is determined by the thickness of the material you're using. So if I look at my board here, it's 3/4 inches, so that's the size. So first thing you have to do is adjust your drill bit here, and it will tell you where to line it up based on, again, the thickness of your material. And you're lining up the bottom of the swirly part and not the tip, and that is my terminology. So then you're going to use a little baby Allen wrench that comes in the kit to loosen the stop collar on the drill bit so that you can adjust it to the length so that it lines up. I'll just show you here. So again, my wood is 3/4 inch thick, so this is where we're going to put it. So now that your drill bit is adjusted, we're going to put it on our drill. Oh my God, I just noticed my hair. It's looking crazy. The next thing to adjust is this little block here. So again, line it up with the thickness of the wood and screw it in tight. So these holes are where you're going to put the drill bit to drill into the wood. You can use whichever holes. They just offer different spacing. And then one last thing to adjust is this little guy. This is the clamp that just holds your wood in place. So I always do a practice piece because I'm not trying to buy another $90 board if I mess it up. So you just put your piece of wood in, clamp it shut, line it up with the holes, make sure it's level, and start drilling away. Use these holes as a guide. Push the drill down so it stops at the stopper, and then you're going to have to reverse it and pull it back out. And ta-da, pocket holes. There should be no holes at the top. It should not go through. Once you have all your holes drilled, you're going to remove the drill bit and put on this other attachment. And this one is for putting in the screws, which is, again, my professional terminology and hard to do with one hand while you're filming. So ideally, you'd want to have these holes in a place where you can't see them, but if that's not an option, they do make these wood plugs. You can plug it up in the hole, paint it, stain it for a nice finished look. And there we go. You really can build so many things once you learn how to use this tool. Let me know if this was helpful and follow for more.